Hi, in this lecture we talk how we can connect lowest candle in a range to lowest candle of next range or previous range. For example, we are in 4 hour range, okay? And so how we can connect this low to this low of this range to this range. So first we define a time frame input for our range. So as you see here we have a range now, so we can select range. For example 4 hour, for example 1 hour, our range will be smaller. When we change it, we can also change to daily. Okay, as you see it's connected low of this range to low of this range. Our range starts from here. Okay, after that we declare some variable previous index, previous minimum low. For example, if we are here previous index, we need previous minimum low, current index, and current minimum low. Okay, we set it as low. So if our low is less than our current min low, so reassign current min low to low and current index to bar index. So with this we can find lowest time frame, lowest candle in our current range, in our current in lowest candle. To yeah, okay. To draw, do you know how I separate range with this? If tau that change time tf is our time frame is not equal to 0, so it shows. It means if our time, if we have a new time frame, not in current time frame, in our range time frame, it's now it's no is daily. Okay, default is 4 hour. So we say here again, if we have a new time frame, so if previous index is not 0, so draw our line. Okay, but before after that we should define something. We should say if we should reassign previous index to current index after that. Okay, so in first try it's not do not draw anything, but in second it draw, so it give current index to previous index and current min to previous min. So after that again our previous index is, because here before that was current, but after this is will be previous. Okay, so we reassign previous index as current index and previous min as current min, and also current index as bar index and current min as low. For example, here we come to here. Here is new range, and here is our previous range. Okay, so we say when this candle appear. Okay, when this candle appear, so we say our previous. So this is our current uh, low. So we say this will be our previous low and previous bar index and our current no, because we are in new range. This is our new bar index, a new current index and new min low. Okay, and here update until here. Okay, so So it will be, this is our previous. So here it, when we come here, we draw our line with this previous index and low and this current index and low. Okay, so yeah, as you see, this will be our result here, but there is a one we need one improvement. I will explain about in next tutorial, in next video, that it will draw a line after our range completed. For example, we are after new range, for example here until here, it draw this line after here. Okay, so still we have here, we have not any line here, because this session, this range is open. So if we want it to write to draw for us without any delay, we should do something more that I will say you in part 2. I will explain.